March 14th, 2025. Absolutely beautiful day. I think it's a high of 10 today, sunny. Just nice sap season weather. So I'm walking down to Dad's right now. Gonna get on the tractor and go move some snow down at the barn. We've got an electrician coming tomorrow. We're trying to get our own service hooked up down there. I think the farm across the road sold, or the rest of the farm. We're gonna try and get cows down at the barn this summer. That's our goal, to have some cattle pastured over there, and we need power to run a water pump for water bowl. There is a well under the windmill that used to feed the house. It's been unhooked for many years. I don't know if it works anymore. I'm hoping we can still get water out of it. Nice day for a little bit of tractor work on an open cab tractor. It is just a gorgeous day. Wow. Well, that should be enough room. It's not going to go below freezing tonight, so this will just continue to melt. We shall see what tomorrow brings. So I wanted to give the tractor a little rinse off. I know it probably seems redundant and it's not that dirty, but all this sand and mud that gets flung up in here off the road, that's covered in salt, and that salt will just sit in there and just rust that. It's not like a car, like gonna rust out the body metal, like that's a thick casting, but you just wash it. Just don't let it rust. And all the salty snow in the bucket. The main reason I'm doing this is to wash this. I haven't washed that since last year. It's kind of pointless when you drive to Timmins every week. It's getting pretty disgusting, and the windows are all dirty and they're hard to see out of, and the rims are packed full of sand, so it'd just be nice to wash it. Like all this metal in here, when the salt and sand and stuff flings up, that gets all rusty. I like to undercoat it, but I never seem to have time to take care of everything like I once did. There is still kind of a little bit of oily residue on everything. So far I've only ever really used WD-40. This tractor still is in pretty good shape. It's a 2010. Wow, it's 15 years old. I don't think of this tractor as being 15 years old. That's crazy. It's been a good tractor. It's worth taking care of. See, like that had paint on it when we bought it. Now it doesn't. Go a little OCD, you know. I'll have to drive really, really slow down the road now. That's okay. It's a nice day for driving slow.
Like all the paint's gone off of that bracket too from stuff laying on it. It'd just be a lot easier if you just didn't give a darn about your stuff.
Okay, that's probably good enough for old tractor.
As I say that, and you keep washing.
Welded that little receiver tube on there. That was a big game changer. Should have done that eons ago.
Got that metal glued on there. Even put a little red trim clad on it.
Hey, time to wash you. Oh, wow, look at that. Just disgusting.
I'll get the pressure washer out for this.
So the last time I used this pressure washer, the handle blew apart on it. It came from Canada Washing Equipment or Supplies or something. They sent me a new quick connect too. I'll try and link the info for them. They were good to deal with. They're just like up Toronto area, a couple hours from here. But I haven't even got to try this yet, so maiden voyage. This handle is working nice. And I replaced this quick connect because the old one was worn and it would leak. Not a huge deal, but you'd end up, your pants would be soaked afterwards. So that's tighter now. Doesn't leak, and this handle, before it was gushing everywhere. So yeah, that's working good. I'll keep washing. Well, that's better looking. I'd really like to wash it with soap and a wash mitt, but it's just gonna look like that by the time I drive back up to Cochrane again Sunday night. So makes me feel a little bit better about it for now. Since I have a little bit of time and this needs some oil on it, I figure why not get the undercoater out. Usually I have the heat gun blowing on it, but since we got Mr. Golden Sun out here, just warming that up for a minute. I do like how quiet that compressor is. This thing still blows oil everywhere. Oh yeah, I bought an O-ring kit to fix this. You made it home from daycare.
Yes.
Yeah, just hang on for a second. Hi, Maeve. No. I was gonna wash Mom's car, but we're gonna go over to Uncle Jordan's and collect sap, so no point in washing.
And we're collecting sap at Jordan's, and I just got home from daycare, and I just saw the mail guy truck. There he comes again. Took a video of him. Look at Daddy.
Wanna help?
And what kind?
Watch out, Maeve, we're putting her down.
Trying to get your shoe off? Pull your foot out. There you go. Other foot. There you go. There. See ya.